Hey, I'm Karl Kyler, your San Diego Realtor, and in this tour, I'm taking you through a property that has, I feel like a little bit of a Mediterranean feel while retaining some of the coastal SoCal living lifestyle. Let me take a seat and walk you through this. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, right? What's really cool about this is 3 of the bedrooms on the downstairs and the upstairs, which isn't large, but the entire upstairs is only the primary retreat. So you're gonna go up this beautiful wind of stairs to only the primary bedroom, which is a phenomenal size, has a, oh my gosh, it feels like the bathroom and closet is as big as the actual bedroom, and then it has its own private balcony. Now, one thing I promise you're gonna absolutely love about this home is it bringing back that, with that Mediterranean style, is a lot of earth tones and very, very soft colors. So the walls and baseboards are all white, and everything else with the exception of the countertops is gonna be a very, very soft wood color. So it just makes everything very, very bright and lively. Now, you do have some contrasting blacks and brass throughout the home, which adds a little bit of extra character and pop to the white walls and the wood or the white countertops. But what I really love the most, and I'm sure you will appreciate as well, is the stager went the length of really putting a lot of art and pictures and plants throughout the home to really show how the character can be realized in this home. This is a perfect example of why a good stager is so very important when it comes to selling your home. Without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into this tour so I can show you exactly what I've been ranting about for the first few minutes here. All right, that's it for this tour of this stunning home here in OB. Now, I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning, but this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, just under 2,500 square feet in Ocean Beach. Now, we're up on the hill, so we still get the OB and the Point Loma Pause, but we're not getting the traffic or the congestion down in OB along the coastline. So a lot more quieter. Anyone that's walking up in this area or driving through this area are gonna be people that live here. Now, if you're interested in taking a private tour of this home, reach out to me directly and I'll get that arranged for you. As always, I'm Karl Kyler, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you next video.